I'm showing you how to actually change your ringtone. Let's see what they have on CapCut. I'm just gonna pick this right here and just spam it. And just pick these random ones. I don't really. Now export it right then. Yeah, it does. You want to export it? This is a pretty easy way. Just export it right there. Now that we have it exported, done, click done. And then you want to get this thing called ringtone maker and click convert video to audio. Select video, photo library or photo library and just click on the one that you got. Now click save to files and done. You're really done. You just done your files. Now you want to go over to GarageBand. If you don't have it, get it. You should be at this, but just scroll to audio record. And then blue, turn blue off. Click the bricks right there. And then, do you see this plus? Click that. Make it 30. I know. Made it too much, okay. Now it should be done. Now, once it's at 30, just go back. And then, do you see the spawn right there? The one that's like a squiggly line. Click it. Click Files, Browse Items, Recents, and then that one. The newest one there.
Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back to the way it used to be. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back to the way it used to be. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back to the way it used to be. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back. Yes, I know.
If that keeps on happening and you can't find it, redo the ringtone maker thing. Pop top making a little bit on. And if you're wondering why I blurred those out, those are some things that you're not allowed to see there, so yeah. Now click the newest one.
Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back to the way it used to be. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back.
Figure out why. Maybe it's because you have too many files. So go to your files app, click done, and then just find the one.
Yep.
So just like for converted video and the number. So just click it. So now it's at converted video 13, which is mine. So just put 13. I can't really find it, but then I'm just gonna pick a random one right now because I can't find it. Let's just find one that I must have randomly put, but it's just gonna be the same, isn't it?
Yes, I know I'm blessed. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish I could go back to the way it used to be. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but sometimes I wish. Yes, I know I'm blessed, but
I'm not doing this. Basically, what happens when you do that is like there's. You just want to hold it down like this. I already have this one. Do that. Click Then once you do that, you want to click this button right here. Click My Songs, save it. Hold it down, and then Share, and then Ringtone, and then make it, and then export it, and then use Sound as ringtone. So I hope that actually helped on how to do it. If it didn't, I am sorry.